What is qualifying life event in health insurance? In Idaho, just like in other parts of the U.S., there are times when you can make changes to your health insurance benefits that aren't during the normal enrollment period. These are called qualifying life events, or QLEs, and they give people and families the chance to change their healthcare when their lives change. A special enrollment period, SEP, starts when a person or a family has a qualifying life event. During this time, they can sign up for a new health plan or make changes to one they already have. In Idaho, a special enrollment time is set off by the same kinds of life changes that are listed in the Affordable Care Act, ACA. FAQ about qualifying life event in Idaho. Will I report a life-changing event? How? Yes, this can affect your plans and maybe you become eligible for the qualifying life event. You can report your life-changing event to the Department of Health and Welfare, DHW, or your Health Idaho, YHI. This will depend on whether you want to receive or apply for cost sharing. Do I need to present proof for the qualifying life event? Yes. All qualifying life events need proof or validation. When you report on something, the Department of Health and Welfare will request documentation for proofs. The documents you present must be received and validated within the special enrollment period. Should I receive a confirmation after reporting? And what notices is that? If you report it in your Health Idaho, all notices will fall on your Health Idaho inbox. And the alert notices will be received through the email you link to your account. Can I choose a plan before your qualifying life event is validated? You can't enroll on a plan before your change is validated. But still, you can browse and compare your plans anytime. We encourage you to review your plans to prepare for enrollment. What is a creditable coverage letter? A creditable coverage letter is issued to you by your insurance provider or previous employers showing the dates of coverage and if your insurance coverage meets the minimum essential benefits. The letter also indicated the termination dates and if the coverage wasn't terminated due to non-payment. What if your qualifying life event is not validated? If the change is not validated within 60 days from the day of the event, a special enrollment period will not open and your request will also be closed. If your initial documents are not qualified to support your report, you can provide additional documents for proof within the period. What happens when you don't finish enrollment before the special enrollment period ends? If your request is approved, but you don't enroll in a certain plan in time, the SEP will end. Once you enroll in a plan, you cannot make any changes to your coverage unless you have another qualifying life event or a general enrollment period. Note: you must report, submit validation documents, and enroll in the plan within the 60 days prior to your life event to use your special enrollment period. These are the frequently asked questions many people ask about health insurance in Idaho. If you still have additional questions, you can contact our phone number at 208-409-3382. Or visit our website Boise Health and Life Insurance Agency. Remember that insurance is confusing and huge. Don't shop alone, pack yourself with the knowledge to make the most out of your coverage. This will be your support in providing your healthcare and financial assistance.